Hey there, I hope you're doing well. In this video, we'll take care of the problem number 2 of the project Euler, which is even Fibonacci numbers. Let's read the problem. Each new term in the Fibonacci sequence is generated by adding the previous 2 terms by starting with 1 and 2. The first 10 terms will be this sequence. By considering the terms in the Fibonacci sequence whose values do not exceed 4 million, find the sum of the even valued terms. So let's say n1 is 1, n2 is 2, output at this point is 0. We'll add the even numbers in the Fibonacci sequence to this output. So while n2 is below 4 million, let's say if n2 is even, let's add n2 to the output, and after it we are calculating the terms at the end of the sequence. So n1 and n2 would be, n1 would be changed to n2 and n2 would be n1 plus n2, and this way we are going through the sequence until we reach 4 million. And if we print the output, which is the sum of those values, we will get our answer. You can go and test it for yourself. I know this is the right answer. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Take care and have a good one.